Okay, in today's lecture we are going to see the adders. We know some basics regarding addition. Digital computer performs variety of information processing tasks, among which basic task is the arithmetic operations, and in which we are going to see the addition of two binary digits. So these rules we know: 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Using these basics, we are going to see the conventional circuit, combinational circuit, that is half adder. So let us move towards the first circuit, combinational circuit, half adder. Half adder is a circuit that performs the addition of two bits where we are considering two binary inputs and we'll get the two outputs, that is sum and carry. So we'll see one example for this. So it is 2-bit binary addition is performed with the help of half adder. So let us see the truth table. So these are the two inputs A and B. So two inputs means we'll get four combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So based on above addition rules, we'll get sum and carry as like: 0 plus 0 will get sum 0, carry 0, 0 plus 1 1 with carry 0, 1 plus 0 1 with carry 0, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. So if I see the block diagram for half adder, it has two inputs A, B, and it produces two outputs sum and carry. Now based on that, we'll derive the equations for half adder. So we'll get from above truth table, we'll get sum is 1 for A is 0 and B is 1. Sum is 1 for A is 1 and B is 0, means I will get equation for sum as A bar B plus AB bar. So same we'll write here. We'll get sum, we can go for K map for sum. We'll get equation S is equal to A bar B plus AB bar, which is nothing but A XOR B. While carry is 1 for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, means I can write equation for C as C is equal to AB. So the diagram using XOR gate and AND gate for half adder will be like this. So half adder for I require for sum XOR gate, and for carry we require AND gate. So this will be the half adder using XOR gate and AND gate. Same thing we can draw with the help of AND or AOI logic. So sum is A bar B plus AB bar. So I can use this inverter for A bar, and this from first AND gate we'll get A bar B. From second AND gate we'll get AB bar, and this OR gate it will perform the function of addition, will get sum, while for carry A into B. So this is carry. So this is the circuit using AOI. Well, this is the circuit where XOR gate and AND gate can be used. Similarly, we can convert these circuits using universal gates, NAND gate or NOR gate. Same circuit can be drawn with NAND or NOR gate. So this is half adder performs 2-bit addition, two inputs and two outputs. So next we'll go to the 3-bit addition, where we'll get circuit is called as a full adder. So it is a combinational circuit which will add the two bits, and again it will produce two outputs, that is sum and carry. So let us see the truth table. These are the inputs A, B, and it may be considered as carry C in. So three inputs and we'll get two outputs sum and carry. So three inputs means total 8 combinations are there from 0 0 to 1 1 1, and we'll get sum and carry in this form. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 with carry 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So using this rule, and 1 plus 1 is sum is 1 with carry 1. We can derive the truth table. So we have derived here truth table. This diagram shows the block diagram for the full adder. We have 3 inputs A, B, C in. We will get the 2 outputs sum and carry. We can derive the equations for this. So from this truth table we will write the equation. For sum bit it is 1 for this, A is 0, B is 0, 1. So it is nothing but A bar, B bar, C plus next where it is 1, 0, 1, 0 means it is A bar, B, C bar. So I will get in this way, we will get equation like this. Sum is equal to A bar, B bar, C in plus A bar, B, C in bar plus A, B bar, C in bar plus A, B, C in. So combine these terms and simplify the equations. So we will get simplified equation. So these 2 terms are combined. Take C in common. So I will get equation as A, B bar plus A bar, B, C in bar plus A bar, B bar plus A, B, C in. So A bar, B plus A, B bar is nothing but A XOR B into C in bar will remain as it is. A bar, B bar plus A, B is nothing but XNOR gate. So A XOR B bar into C in, and whole this term is nothing but I can consider this as A, C. So I will get it as this is first term and this will be another term. It is XOR of A XOR B XOR C. So for sum bit we will get it as A XOR B XOR C. A XOR B we will consider as X. So we will get equation as X C bar plus X bar C. It is nothing but X XOR C. X is nothing but A XOR B. So we will get equation for sum as A XOR B XOR C. Similarly, derive the equation for C out. C out is 1 for the terms A bar B C in plus AB bar C in plus AB C in bar plus AB C in. So we will get equation after simplify as A XOR B C in plus AB. So we will draw this circuit using XOR gate. So if we draw this circuit, it is seen that first term is A XOR B XOR C. So we will require here 2 XOR gates, 2 input XOR gates. So this is sum. Then for carry A XOR B into C in. So A XOR B is here, multiply it with C in. This is first AND gate, and A into B. So A into B. So if I see here, this is our half adder circuit. This is also half adder circuit. So full adder can be constructed using 2 half adders and 1 OR gate. This is to be added together, sum and carry. So full adder can be constructed using 2 half adders. So we'll stop here.